Right, so today I've been servicing this 1981 Rotel RVC230, which uses a Cybernet 134 chassis. And if you saw that, it did end up doing a full 4 watts, and it also has exceptionally good receive, like 0.2 microvolts, 0.19 microvolts for 12 dB sign out, so it's exceptionally good. So we start a new chapter because the car now has a Thunderpole T3000 fitted, as you'll see when the camera goes over to that, and so it's going to be all different. Shouldn't be any performance difference, but it's certainly going to be a different radio and make it easier to work for Mr. Chippie when he does multi-norm sets. So we're going to have the tone in the high position. We're in normal power. I'm poised for my extension speaker, but we start off on the internal speaker. The customer provided a standard replacement coffin mic, which is fine. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger. Okay, we're ready.
Roger that. Right, we're now passing the house and recording.
Roger, we've got a tone control switch on this.
Roger that. As we travel down the lane towards Woody's lay-by, I can see the P's or B's or whatever they are on my right getting quite large now.
Roger on that, that's fine, thank you.
Roger. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station, petrol 143.9, diesel 145.9.
Roger on that. Good.
Right, we're now square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, diddly Roger.
Passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger that. We'll see how this auto squelch works around Scratchy Corner, because it's not something we've tried before.
Absolutely right, so it's going to be interesting.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford.
On Rotel RVC230, doing a 441 now, dated 1981, over.
Roger that. Well, that was all received, no dropouts.
Excellent.
We're now passing over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
What's going over Wilsford Level Crossing?
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
I've got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. We're now passing the Grayleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, got you the 5 mile point. So on the Rotel RVC230, 24 watts and throwing 1.27 amps. We've now got low power, which is 400 milliwatts, 54321. And here we are back at 4 watts, over.
Yeah, roger that. Well, that was all received fine on full power, but with the Auto squelch on, you went completely off at low power. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to knock the squelch off and see if I can hear it at all with no squelch on.
Roger on that, we'll do that again then, no problem at all. So we're on 4 watts at 1.2 amps, 54321 on the low power. There we go.
Yeah, roger that. Fact is, you were pretty illegible with no squelch on, so I think the auto squelch is working well.
Yep, roger, that's absolutely fine. Yeah, I wouldn't expect, to be honest, I wouldn't expect much difference, if any, over.
Roger that. Off we go then.
Off we go when you're ready. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, got you the 5 mile point. So on this Rotel RVC230, it's doing 4 watts and it's drawing 1.27 amps. We'll now go on to low power, which is 400 milliwatts, 54321. Now we're on low power doing 400 milliwatts. The radio is drawing 570 milliamps, back to normal power, and here we are back at 4 watts over.
Yeah, Roger that. Well, that was all received fine on full power, but with the auto squelch on it, you went completely off at low power. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to knock squelch off and see if you can hear you told no squelch off.
Roger on that, we'll do that again then, no problem at all. So we're on 4 watts at 1.2 amps, 54321 on to low power. Here we are on low power at 580 milliamps and back to full power of 4 watts over. There we go.
Yeah, Roger that should work pretty legible with no squelch on, so I think the auto squelch is working well.
Yep, Roger, that's absolutely fine. Yeah, I wouldn't expect, to be honest, I wouldn't expect much difference, if any, over.
Roger that. Off we go then.
Off we go when you're ready.
Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, got your back going.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rotel level crossing. Over. Yeah, Roger. I wasn't actually looking at the fuel board. I had a quick glance down at the S meter to see if you'd disappear, and you did. Assuming they're the same prices. You'll see on the video, I'm sure.
Yep, Roger on that, no problem at all. No, I'm not expecting any received difference between that and the Midland. The only slight difference is I think the speech processing is better as far as the transmit goes, and the Midland sound a bit more powerful. Midland didn't quite do 4 watts.
Yeah, Roger that. I mean, yeah, the receive's no different at all. It's just with the auto squelch on, it makes it a bit different because normally coming past the petrol station, you just disappear into white noise, but of course the auto squelch just turns it off completely, so I get a bit of silence.
But the difference between this and yesterday's test on AM is we can actually have a conversation at 6 miles over.
Yep, Roger that.
Okay, that's where the test ends, thank you.
Roger, 1010.
Tango 21 from Chippie, we're now over Rotel level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rotel at level crossing. Do you have a petrol price for me at that end today, please? Over.
Yeah, Roger. I wasn't actually looking at the fuel board. I had a quick glance down at the S meter to see if it disappeared, and you did. I assume they're the same prices. You'll see on the video, I'm sure.
Yep, Roger on that, no problem at all. No, I'm not expecting any received difference between that and the Midland. The only slight difference is I think the speech processing's better for as far as the transmit goes, and it's a little tiny bit more powerful because the Midland didn't quite do 4 watts over.
Yeah, Roger that. I mean, yeah, the receive's no different at all. It's just with the auto squelch on, it makes a bit different because normally coming past the petrol station, you just disappear into white noise, but of course the auto squelch just turns it off completely, so I get a bit of silence.
And of course the difference between this and yesterday's test on AM is we can actually have a conversation at 6 miles over.
Yep, roger that.
Okay, that's where the test ends, thank you.
Roger, 10-10.
10-10. Well, that worked absolutely great. As you heard what I was saying there, I'm not expecting the receive to be any different between the Midland 78 and the Thunderpole T3000. They both work well. They're not down at the 0.2s, they're all around the 0.5s, and that is absolutely fine. But when we start with something like some of these Cobras doing 1.5 or 2.5 microvolts for 12, it's absolutely dire. In fact, we ought to do a Cobra multi-test where we have every model that they've ever had to the UK and run them one after the other. And you'll see as they get newer they get worse. That'd be funny. Right, we'll go over to our Midland base station and we'll see what this sounds like on that standard replacement mic.
Tango 21 testing the RVC230 from Rotel into our Midland 76900 base station. 54321 12345 on the standard replacement.